Hello guys, you're welcome to for a CMC mentorship, and on this I'll be teaching you or giving you a trade example video. This is number 7. I've given you 6 so far. Okay, those were to buttress the various concepts I've taught. So these I'll be using inducement, okay, to frame a setup here. Now, okay, we'll put everything together. Remember, market structure, liquidity, point of interest, and our point of interest will be using inducement. Remember, inducement, we can use points that could reject price, and I told that those points could be another block. It could be a smart money cube. Let me quickly add, it could also be an institutional candle. Okay, any institutional footprint that will reject price would be where we likely look to buy or to sell after the inducement has been done. So fibs and targets, then entry. So let's hop into our chart and see how this plays out, guys. Okay, so let's see this. This is okay, if you see this here, okay, if you see this here, there is a break of structure right here. Okay, there's a break of structure. Now you can see this lows. Now this inducement is using internal liquidity. Okay, this is not taking the previous structural point, because this is a low and a high, so there is no liquidity below this, and neither there is any imbalance below it. Okay, so now let's go. If you check this, these are equal lows, so these are potential liquidity. Okay, or these are liquidity rather. Then you see price coming into it, and it went away from after taking the liquidity that is resting here. Now you see price dance around. If you go buy here, you take some profit. Now see where I want to look at. After that has been done, you are agreeing that there is still an imbalance that is left, a little imbalance that is left. Okay, a little imbalance that is left after this has done this. There's a little imbalance left, just little. Okay, it's a little imbalance left, so that attracted price to fully rebalance. Okay, to fully rebalance the price, then it tanked. Now you could see that below this level we have even smart money cube here. Okay, we have smart money cube here. We even have, this is an institutional candle. This takes this stops, so this, we could call this an institutional candle. Okay, this entire push down, it took stop losses here, so we'll call that an institutional candle. So any point that is below this imbalance will be where we'll be targeting to buy. Okay, to be where we'll be targeting to buy. So you see price, after rebalancing the imbalance, it tap this institutional candle, which here existed as a wick. Then price started rallying up, and it's still going. Okay, if you also check this, you can on a lower time frame. Now we'll frame our entry now, so you can also check this. This is relative equal low. Okay, this is also existing liquidity. Then price came for it and rallied. Okay, let me try to see where these are where inducement existed as internal liquidity. Okay, that is the first. Now let me try to look for a second scenario now. Okay, so let's see this now. Let's see this is structure. Okay, no, high, low, high, low. Structure was broken right here. So price started doing high, low, high, okay, low, high. Now if you check this also, check this very well, this closed above this, so this is a high, and price came down, low, high, okay. Now but if you check again, you find out that there is an imbalance right here. You check those two candles, they didn't touch each other, so there's a little imbalance in there. You have to train your eyes, guys. You have to train your eyes. So there is a little imbalance here. Can you see that? See this candle weak? They didn't exactly touch this candle weak, so there's a little imbalance. There's a price came for that imbalance, and you know, took away this low, okay, took that low, and price rallied. So that means that any point below this point, below this imbalance, is what we'll be seeking to buy from. Okay, I hope that is clear enough, guys. I hope that is clear enough. Very simple concept. So the idea is, once you see imbalance resting below, or you see liquidity resting below, obvious liquidity, obvious lows and highs, just know that that particular price level will be induced, okay, if not immediately, but will be induced certainly. Okay, so this is another inducement happening here. Okay, see this now, high, low, high. Okay, you see this, this is existing as internal liquidity. Now you check this relatively equal high, relatively equal low, although that is not what it came for. It actually came for this, there was an imbalance, okay, resting below here. There's an imbalance resting below. Okay, there was an imbalance resting below. That's what it came for. It induced this liquidity level here, okay, and price, rallied upward. Like that, you can spot this again and again on your chart. See this high, low, break of structure, break of structure. You can see this littered around your chart. The idea is, where you see imbalance, just when the price is coming there, even though it has made a higher low or a lower high, just when the price is coming there shortly. See this now, okay, low, high. You see price came for this obvious liquidity level, and there was also an imbalance that was not fully rebalanced. Okay, there's an obvious imbalance here. Okay, so an obvious imbalance here. Okay, let me adjust this quickly. So there's an obvious imbalance there. You see, price came for it, and any point below, like we could see, although this is as a whole is an order block, or so it's a smart money cube. It's a smart money cube, so this covered everything as a whole. So we should know that, okay, price should reject in between this zone after taking the after mitigating the imbalance. So you guys, you can see this littered around your chart again and again and again and again and again and again. It's a very powerful concept. You see this also happening here. Took this liquidity here, price rallied. Took this, mitigated this imbalance, price rallies. That is how this works, guys. That is how this works. You can see this again and again and again on your chart. You can see this again and again on your chart. Now you can also see this now. There was an obvious break of structure here. You can see this again and again. There's an obvious break of structure here. Okay, price broke structure and it kept going higher and higher. Okay, broke structure again here. Price broke structure again here. Just want to give you price narrative. This is obvious sell, as in it's obvious bearish trend. So you see there was a break of structure here. When there was a break of structure, you see high, low, lower high, lower low. You see price coming for this imbalance. Okay, you see price coming for this imbalance. So that means this was induced. This lower high was induced. So price came for this imbalance resting above and it tanked. You see that? You see that, guys? You see that, guys? Very, very easy. Very, very easy concept. So don't complicate matters for yourself. Trading is easy when you decide to approach it the easy way. Okay, not cramming concept, knowing how this works. So you've seen how it occurs, you know, inducing a structural point. You see how I've also showed you how it occurs as internal liquidity. Okay, this is as internal liquidity, while this is as breaking structural point. Okay, so I hope this was insightful, guys. Is that it's we have a lot of them on your charts. Okay, as a way of rounding this up, please take note that two things that actually move price are liquidity and imbalance. Where there is liquidity, price will always want to come there and take those liquidity, because those are what facilitate, like I taught you, those are what facilitate the entry of smart money. Okay, then price also will always also attracted to imbalances, because price shouldn't be one way. Okay, it has to come and rebalance every inefficiency in price so that it can continue in the intended direction. So I hope this was insightful, guys. I hope this was insightful, guys. I hope this was insightful, guys. So you can add this to other concept I've taught you, and I know it will be very helpful to you. So I hope this was insightful, guys. Catch you in my next videos. Peace out.